Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In my previous video, we saw that the price line of Bitcoin was retesting the support of the falling wedge. And even today we had a nice bounce, but the price line did not reach at this resistance of the falling wedge and move back at this support again. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will break down this support or it will be reversed bullish from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this pattern that I shared on 9th of July at the Patreon for my members. And here I told them that the price action of Bitcoin may complete the final leg of the bullish bat pattern. If I show you all the dimensions, then perfectly, the Bitcoin has perfectly defined all the directions of the bullish bat pattern during this move. Now here on this daily time frame chart, you can see that after this rally, the price action has been moved down between 38.2% to 61.8%, and this is the percentage of this rally from X to A leg. Then it is projected move towards the upside between 38.2% to 88.6%, and this is the percentage of this rally from A to B leg. Then it is projected towards the upside. And now I told my members that as per the Fibonacci sequence, all the legs are driven perfectly as required for the harmonic bullish reversal bat move. Therefore, we can expect the final leg as required for the bat move, that is from 78.6% to 88.6%, and that is the percentage of this rally again from X to A leg. And now I'm just going to play the chart. You can see at that time it was moving at $33,000, and after playing the chart, the price action moved towards the downside, and completely now it is entered in the buying zone. Now, as per the Fibonacci sequence, the buying zone starts from $31,531 and goes to $30,886. And for the day traders, the sell targets can be from $33,000 to $35,377. However, at this time, the formation of this bullish bat is very important, because previously we have seen in my previous videos, so many videos, whenever the price line is testing the key level support zone that starts from $31,000 to $28,800, and you can see at this time it is again testing this key level support zone. The price action also forms a bullish harmonic move. Previously, the Bitcoin has formed on the daily time frame several cipher patterns and the shark patterns, and in my previous video we have seen that it formed a shark move on the 12-hourly chart, and we had a reversal move, but the price action did not break out the resistance of this bigger falling wedge that has been formed on this daily time frame. Previously, we were watching this smaller falling wedge that has been formed on the 4-hourly chart, and you can see that the price action is moving at the support of this falling wedge. And at the same time, we are also having the formation of this bigger falling wedge that has been formed on the daily time frame. And both patterns, the falling wedge patterns, are considered to be a bullish reversal patterns among the traders community. And once the price action will start a bullish reversal from this bigger pattern, then we can expect a very big move from here. The target can be the tail of this falling wedge that is approximately at $41,000. So this is very important pattern at this time. Even though we have several patterns formed by the Bitcoin during this rally, during this move, the movement with in this falling wedge, but so far the price line is not able to break out this resistance. This is a very strong resistance. However, this is a hope. We can expect that the price action, when the price line will reverse bullish from here, this is on the daily time frame chart, then it can make another attempt to break out the resistance of this falling wedge on the daily time frame chart, because we can see that for so many previous days it is moving at the resistance of this falling wedge, and now it is moving towards the downside. For example, if the price line will move more down to test this support of the falling wedge here, then we can expect a move up to $28,800. That is the end of this very important key level support zone. And at the same time, we are also testing this 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. And previously I've explained in my previous videos that this 50 simple moving average is very important, because whenever the price action has tested first time this 50 simple moving average, then we had 50 to 100% rallies after testing this 50 simple moving average. And at the same time, the stochastic is also oversold, and you can see that the MACD is giving again and again bullish signals. It is turned weak bearish. That is a kind of bullish signal. It is showing that it is turning bullish now. So we are going through a very important time period now. We are testing this 50 simple moving average. We are also testing this very important key level support zone. At the same time, the price action has formed a bullish reversal harmonic bat pattern. Like previously, I have been sharing all the patterns with you. Like this was another bat, and we had a nice reversal. Like you can see that after completion of this leg, the price action reversed bullish, moved down, and again reversed bullish. And then I shared this chart with you on 4th of May when the price action formed this bullish shark on the 4-hourly chart, and the price action reversed bullish and hit the sell targets, even moved beyond the sell targets. And I shared this harmonic bullish shark with you on 11th of May, and the price action reversed bullish towards the upside after the formation of this shark. You can see here the leg was completed, and then it moved towards the upside and hit the sell targets, moved down. And then after this pattern I shared with you on 11th of May. Then I shared this pattern with you when the market was extremely bearish on 30th of May. This was the daily time frame, on the 12-hour time frame, the Gartley pattern, and the price action reversed bullish. Let me play the chart, and you can see that the price action reversed bullish, hit the sell targets, moved down, and hit the sell targets twice. And then I shared this harmonic cipher pattern on 6th of June, that when the market was extremely bearish, and the price action completed this cipher pattern. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action reversed bullish and hit the sell targets. And then I shared another harmonic pattern with you. This was, by the way, I shared with you on 6th of June. And then I shared the next pattern here. That was, yes, here on 18th of June. And this was another bullish harmonic reversal cipher pattern. And I told you that here the price action will complete the final leg of cipher, and from here it will be reverse bullish. And you can see that the price action completed the cipher leg, hit the we had this candlestick out of this buying zone, but it is eventually reversed bullish. Market was extremely bearish, therefore this pattern was quite invalidated. However, it hit the sell targets and reversed bullish, and this leg was, I think, was not completed. Let me just show you this pattern. This is, it's still not completed. This is another bullish shark on the daily time frame, but the last pattern that has been executed successfully was this 12-hour chart. That was another bullish reversal shark on the 12-hour chart that I shared with you in my previous video, that the price action will be reverse bullish from here. And we can see that the price action reverse bullish, hit the sell targets, but move down again. And before this, I shared this daily time frame chart, and this is the bad pattern I'm talking about, that the price action has completed. And from here we can expect another bullish reversal towards the upside, and this time the price line is also at a very strong key level support zone. And once the price action will be reverse bullish, then we can expect that on the daily time frame chart we may have another attempt by the price action for the breakout of this falling wedge on the daily time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more trading ideas which I'm sharing on the daily basis, then you can find the link in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.